Hello everyone, this is Shashi Bhushan Kannauje, Assistant Professor Botany, Government Gundadhur PG College, Kondagaon. Today my topic is structure of typical flower and their types. Flower are the reproductive structure of flowering plant in angiosperm designed primarily for sexual reproduction. Their structure is highly organized with a specific part performing distinct function in the reproductive process. Below is an overview of the structure of a typical flower and its part, presented in a clear and concise manner. The general structure of flower, you can see a flower typically consists of four main whorls arranged on a receptacle. The solen tip of the flower stalk pedicel. This oral from outermost to innermost are calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. The part of a flower A and their function, the outermost part, first one calyx. The outermost oral consisting of leaf-like structure called sepals, usually green in color but can be colorful in some species. Calyx protect the flower bud before it open, may support petal or contribute to photosynthesis in some plant. In some flowers, sepals and petals are not separate, collectively called tepals, example lily. And some flower calyx are fused and calyx are free. Basically two types of calyx: polysepalous. In some flowers sepals are free, such type is called polysepalous, example rose, you can see. And second one is gamosepalous. In some flower the sepals are fused, such type is called gamosepalous, example dhatura, you can see. And second one, corolla. The second oral made up a petal which are often brightly colored or patterned. The corolla attract pollinators like insect, bird or bats through color, scent or nectar. May guide pollinators to reproductive structure. Petals can be fused or separate are absent. Basically three types of corollas: polypetalous. When the petals are free, such flower are called as polypetalous flower, example rose, you can see. And second one, gamopetalous, flowers having fused or united petals, such type is called gamopetalous, example hibiscus, datura, etc. You can see. And third one is apetalous. In some rare flower, the petals are absent. Such flower are called apetalous, example brassica rapa. You can see. And third one, androecium. The male reproductive oral consists of multiple stamen, the male reproductive organs. The structure of stamen basically divided in three parts. First one filament, and second anther, and third connective. The slender stalk that support the anther is called filament, and anther is sac-like structure where pollen grain are produced. And present and absent of connective based two types of anther: monothecous anther and diothecous anther. Anther produce and release pollen for pollinations. The number of stamens varies by species, and they may be free or fused. And last, gynoecium. The female reproductive oral consists of one or most pistil, also called carpels. The structure of pistil divided in three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. The stigma is the sticky or feathery tip that capture pollen. The style, a slender tube connecting the stigma to the ovary, allowing pollen tube to grow toward the ovules. And last one, ovary. Ovary is the lowermost and enlarged basal part containing ovule, which ovule developed into seed after fertilization, and ovary developed into fruit. The types of flowers. The presence of different parts of flower, calyx, corolla, and androecium, basis on two types of flower. First one, complete flower, contain all four orals, sepals, petals, and stamens, and pistil are present there. Second, incomplete flower, lack one or more orals. Uh, Example, grasses. Bisexual flower, contain both stamen and pistil. Example, hibiscus and other plants. Last one, unisexual flower, contain either stamen or pistil, not both. Staminate, male flower with only stamen. Pistillate, female flower with only pistils.